What is up, everyone? I'm gonna try to complete the no burp challenge. Here I have a completely unopened can of Seltzer carbonated beverage. If I drink the whole thing without burping, I win. Traditionally, this is probably a Sprite, but I'm kind of against high-fructose corn syrup, so I went with the next best thing. You know, I actually never tried this before. This is very good. Oh, I can already feel it bubbling up. No burping. I don't think I can do it. I can already feel it. Probably 3/4. I'm gonna have the worst stomachache after this. I might do it. I might do it.